Hey guys, welcome to BIM Easy. Do you want to create a two-track aluminum sliding window like this, which is fully parametric? Follow this step-by-step tutorial and you will be able to create a window family easily. Let's get started. To create the window family, we will go to Families and then click on New. Now select the metric window template and click on Open. As you can see, this is the interior side of window and this is the exterior side of window. And this is the wall on which your window will be hosted on. This small icon you are seeing is the control point which enables you to flip the window. You can see the width parameter is already predefined in the template. If I try to change it, let us change it to 1500. You can see the reference planes move at an equal distance from the center reference plane. This is because the equality parameter has been assigned to it. Now let us start with creating the exterior most framing, which is the stone framing, which can be of either granite or marble. I'll make it fine and then I'll make it shaded. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to create the reference planes. For reference planes, use the shortcut RP and create reference planes like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now type DI to activate the dimension command and just measure the dimension like this. Now we will convert these dimensions into parameters. Select all four dimensions and then click on create parameter. Now we will create this as stone frame thickness. Okay. Keep everything else as it is and this will be your type parameter. Click on OK. Now the parameter is created. I'll change the thickness to, let us say, 15 mm. So you can see the thickness is modified at all the locations. Now what I will do, I will go to create and click on extrusion. Now take this rectangle and create a rectangle like this. First I am creating the internal rectangle. Lock it with the reference planes. Now I want to create the external rectangle. So for creating the external rectangle, what I will do, I will take pick lines and turn on the lock and then select the exterior reference planes like this. Now I'll simply trim them. Click on finish. Now the granite framing is ready in the elevation view. I'll just go to the plan view again to set it. Just bring it a little outside like this. Take the align command and keep this lock on and press tab key to select this reference plane and this side, then this reference plane and then this side. Now your granite framing is ready and it is completely parametric. Now the next step will be to create a window offset parameter. Go to the plan view, press RP to create reference plane and create a reference plane like this. Now click on DI and press the tab key to select the reference plane and then select this line, this reference plane and then click outside. Now convert this dimension into a parameter called as window offset from exterior and click on OK. So why I have created this reference plane? Your aluminium track will move with reference to this reference plane. I'll just change it to 10 mm as of now. Now we will temporarily hide this center reference plane so that we are not confused. Just select this reference plane, come here and click on hide element. So now it is temporarily hidden. To create the aluminium track, we will first go to elevation view and create some reference lines. Take the shortcut RP, click on pick lines and set this offset to, let us say, 8 mm. Okay, select this line, select this line, select this line, and then select this line. Now take the offset as 15 mm. Again we will select this line, then we will select this line, then this line, and then this line. Okay, again keep it 15 mm and draw the fifth reference plane like this on each side. So you can see I have created total 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 reference planes on all sides. Now please notice this step carefully. I will take the dimension command and give the dimension from second to third and then from third to fourth and click outside. If the text is appearing too large, you can change the scale to adjust its size. Okay? Yeah. Now I will take the di command again and give a dimension from here till here, and then I will convert this one into a parameter which is panel frame width. Okay. Similarly, I will do it at all the sides. Now we are ready to create the aluminium track. To create it, we will use the sweep command. Go to create, click on sweep, and then click on sketch path, pick lines, lock, and select the second reference planes. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Take the trim command and trim the unnecessary portion like this. So my path is now ready. I will finish it. Now I will go to the plan view to define my sketch. Now I will click on edit profile, pick lines, lock, and select this line and select this line. Okay, we will select this line also and we will select this line also. Okay, now we will trim out the unnecessary portion. Take the trim command, trim this portion like this and this portion like this. Now take the pick lines command again and type 10 mm over here and pick this line. Then again take the line command, offset will be 0, draw a line like this and check the distance between these two. Let us say I want to keep the distance as 20 mm. So this distance will be 20 mm. I'll delete it as of now. Again I'll go to pick lines, then an offset of 10 mm. Then again 20, again 10. Okay, now I will take the trim command again and trim out the unnecessary portion like this. Take the split command to split it here. Again the trim command to trim it like this. Again the split command here and here. Again the trim command. So now the geometry is ready. I just need to lock the dimensions, otherwise it will not behave parametrically. Take the di command and give dimensions like this. Okay, I'll just change the scale so that the dimensions are visible like this. Okay, now you can click on finish and click on finish again. So your aluminium track is now ready. I will show you this in 3D view. So in the 3D view, you can see the aluminium track. We will just go to the family types and try to change the window offset parameter. Now it is 20. Let us make it 50 and check. So you can see it is behaving as per our requirement. The next step will be to create the framing of the sliding. Okay. For that, I will again go to the elevation view and create two more reference planes. One reference plane here, one reference plane here. Okay. And then I'll take the command di here till here and click here and give the dimension. Okay. And now convert these dimensions into a parameter. The name of the parameter will be half panel frame width and click on OK. So now your parameter is created. Since it is half of the panel frame width, I need to apply a formula to this parameter. For that, I will go here in the family types and in the half panel frame width parameter, what I will do, I will select the panel frame width like this, Control C to copy it, paste it over here and divide by 2. Press enter. So you can see my panel frame width is 50. Accordingly, half panel frame width will be 25. I'll click on OK. So now my half panel frame width is ready. Now again, to create the panel frame, what I will do, I will use the sweep command. Go to create, sweep, sketch path, pick lines, lock like this, and I need to select the third reference plane from here. Third reference plane from here, then this reference plane, and then third reference plane over here. Okay, I'll just trim out the unnecessary portion like this. Now we will finish this and go to the reference level to create the geometry. So to create the geometry, I will click on edit profile and the geometry will be like this. I will take pick lines and take this reference plane and this reference plane and then this side of the aluminum track and this side of the aluminum track. Now I will trim it like this. Now click on finish and finish again. Your sweep will be ready. Go to the 3D view and you can see your frame is also ready now. Okay. Similarly, I will do it for the other side also. Remember, you cannot mirror anything. You have to do it. You have to do everything from scratch on the other side also. Now we will proceed with making the glass panel. Okay. To make the glass panel, let's go to reference level and we will use the simple extrusion command. Go to create, click on extrusion. Now we will pick the lines like this one, and then this one, and then this one. Now we will trim out the unnecessary portion. and click on finish. Okay, it will not be visible over here. We will go to elevation view and you can see the extrusion is created over here. We can take the align command and align the panel like this. Okay, I'll show it to you in the 3D view. So in the 3D view, you can see that this is the glass panel. All we need to do is assign the materials to all our elements. Okay, I will select this glass panel and change its subcategory to glass so that it looks like a glass now. I will select the panel frame and change the category to frame mullion. So it will behave like a frame mullion. Again, I'll select the track and change its subcategory to frame mullion. Okay. Similarly, you need to create other panel frame and the glass panel. Just remember that it should be in this particular track. Okay. Once done on the other side also, your window will look like this. Now let us change the primary dimensions of this window, such as the height. Let us make it 2000 and check, click on apply. You can see it is working fine. Now let us check the width also, make it 2000, click on apply. You can see the width is also working fine. Now let us change the window offset from exterior and make it 50. So this is also working fine. Now let us go to the elevation view to check if we have missed anything. We will make it shaded from over here. You can notice that there is a slight gap over here. Let's see what mistake we have done. So here everything is fine. Here also everything looks fine. I'll go to the wireframe view. So that I can see the parameters. Yeah, so you can see the panel frame width should have been from the third reference plane to the last reference plane, but I have taken it from the fourth reference plane to the fifth. So I will just delete it. Again, I'll take DI and again I'll give a dimension like this and convert it into a parameter, panel frame width. Yeah, so now it is working fine. You can see like this. Okay, the last step will be to apply the materials to our elements. So you can see the glass material is already applied, but again we will select it, go to the materials over here and type glass like this. Okay, for the panel frames we will select them like this and we will go to material and let's search for aluminium if we have any. We don't have aluminium over here. In the asset library we have it, so we will bring it here and we will change its color to, let us say it is white coated, so we will change it to white like this. Yeah, now it's looking perfect. So our window family is now created. Guys, I hope you liked this video. It was a long one, but it was necessary to understand how a window family is created. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.